Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're going to be replacing a headlight bulb in a 2012 Audi Q5. It can go from 2008 up, 2018 I believe. This one is, you see the difference? This is more dull. This one's very bright. Well, anyway, he wants them switched so they're even. I don't blame him. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the headlight bulb out, and to do that, which is over here, there's really no room to work. And if you're doing the passenger side, the same thing. It's right here, but there's really no room to work. So what we're gonna do is just move the headlights out a little bit so we can get to the bulbs. All right. So the first thing you're gonna do is take this piece off. Just easy to take it off. Has, you know, pins like this. You push them in, take them out. These, you just use a little claw, pop them up. All right, you got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just to take this plastic piece off. That's what I'm going to do right now. And you see how these go up? You just get a little screwdriver. You put it under here, and you pop this little tab up right here, and then they just come right out. And if you have these type, all you do, don't push it all the way in. You just push it a little bit, like that. And now this one can come right out. And that one comes out like that. All right, so there's two different types. And then just slides right out. Just leave it like that because it's going to access some of the bolts and it makes it easier. Then you're going to take out 3 screws, 1, 2, and 1 down here. All right, and the same thing on the other side. This car was messed with, I don't know. It has 1 here. They're all different types of screws. 1 here. 1 down there, and there was supposed to be 1 here. This is broken. This looks like this was replaced. Anyway, and so what we're going to do after that is we're going to slide the whole thing out enough so we can get our hand to replace the bulb like that. You see, now we have access here. Now we can get to the bulb. Okay, we just take this down like this, take this cover off, and I'm going to show you how to take the bulb out. I put a mirror here to show you. Let's get it in there. All right, it's over here, right in that area right there. You see, let me try to get it. You see it right there, the little silver? It's right there. So what you do is you grab a hold of the little wire harness, and the whole bulb pulls right out. I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to grab behind here. Try to put some light in here. Yeah, man, here we go. And, come on. And then we just grab the whole thing. All right. Okay. Anyway, that's the plug, and we just grab the whole unit, and it pulls right out. Sometimes you'll need a little wrench. Because, yeah, let me just get it. It's basically, I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's basically, it's like a little spring. So it has to be pulled out of the spring and then pushed back into the spring, the bulb itself. I'll show you. Okay, right, what you're looking at right now is the socket. And you're going to see that there's little spring clips there. So basically the bulb just pushes in. And when you grab it, you know, you can grab it with a little pliers if it's too tight, and it just pops out. There is no clip. There's no spring. A lot of them have a little spring that goes over. They're not like this. They basically go, see this little thing? This thing points up, and you just push it in, and that's it. And it clips on. And then when you want to take it out again, you just grab it and push it out. Usually it just comes right out. This one's a little hard, so you can grab it with a little pliers or something, but it pops right out. Just make sure that the tab is on the top. Okay, the one I took out is some aftermarket LED that was thrown the wrong color, whatever. And this one is all messed, you know, it looks like it's a universal. All right, maybe that's why it didn't want to come out easy, but you don't pay attention to that. I mean, if you want to put an upgraded one in, that's the time to do it. But the new bulb has to go in with this tab like that, and it just pushes right in. And basically it looks just like that. You just push it right in and plug it. It's good to put the plug in first, And then the plug with the bulb itself, you just push it straight in with the tab on the top. And that's how you do that. And the bulb type you will use is the H7 incandescent. This is not for the Xeon headlights or the HIDs. These are the regular incandescent light bulbs. It uses an H7. And this one, see the tabs over here? It goes in like this. It goes in like on those little holes, and then you put the little metal clip on to the top over here, and make sure it locks in over here and over here. All right, it's important. Don't leave this out, or if you don't have one, you got to get it. Water splashes up there to blow that bulb right out, like so. And you just take everything now and you just slide it back in, and you tighten your 3 bolts. Now, they were all different sizes because somebody must have took this off and lost all the bolts. But I believe that 30, Torx 30, all 3. This one had Phillips in there and everything like that. So hopefully if yours is, all factory, that's what it's going to be, the Torx 30. And you push it in, just make sure it's all the way seated nice. Nice and flush, and it doesn't move. And then you tighten your bolts down. And then you check them, like that. See, now they look even. Look a lot better now. And it's like I said, it's good to check them before you put everything back. Just make sure the bulb is good, even though if it's new, it doesn't really matter. And then we're going to put and the same thing for the other side over here. There's 2 ways to do this side. Let me explain that. You could do it exactly how I said it. I mean, some people have thin hands, and if you can just, get this off, right, take the cover off. I really can't. My hand's a little too big. It's easy because, like I said, it just pulls out. It's basically press fitted, so it just pulls straight out, pulls right in. There's no clip to play with. Or you can do the 3 bolts, 1, 2, and there's supposed to be 1 over here, which broke, and just slide this one out like we did the driver's side, and it'll give you a little bit more room over here to grab it. If you want, then you can take the air cleaner off. That's the other option. So after you do that, you just put this back. Make sure you tighten all the bolts. You put this back, and you're done. Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. Always check my description of each video to make sure if there's any updates, I may put them in there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.